Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us on this Friday. I'm Ben Bradley.
And I'm Lourdes Duarte. The trial for the man accused of murdering two Delphi, Indiana teenagers in 2017 is now underway.
After a jury was selected from a different county, the trial moves back to the small community where this all started. Courtney joins us with the latest.
Yeah, Ben and Lourdes, it was a packed first day of proceedings in Delphi, Indiana, in this trial that could last up to a month. This crime has left an enormous hole in the hearts of the Delphi community, which has now waited more than 7.5 years for justice in these murders.
In a way, it's exciting, but in a way, it's also very sad for the community because this should have been solved a long time ago.
In this small courtroom in Delphi, Indiana, a jury of 8 women and 4 men will decide the fate of 52-year-old Richard Allen. He was arrested more than 5.5 years after the brutal murders of 13-year-old Abby Williams and 14-year-old Libby German. Prosecutors claim he's confessed to the killings more than 60 times.
I never thought we'd be here today.
Audio and video recordings from Libby's phone helped investigators draw tips for years in the case. Those taken on the Monon High Bridge, where the girls went for a walk, later found murdered. During opening statements, County Prosecutor Nicholas McClelland argued Allen is the, quote, bridge guy captured on Libby's phone. McClelland alleges Allen confessed to details only the killer would know and that he matched the description of a man seen on the bridge minutes before the girls went missing. He told jurors they'll see graphic photos of the crime scene where the girls were found with their throats cut. Prosecutors say Libby was found nude. Abby had Libby's clothes on, and the rest of their clothes were found in nearby water. They revealed Allen admitted in a 2017 interview to being on the bridge, later saying he had no explanation why he was in the area. Defense attorneys, in a nearly hour-long opening statement, looked to poke holes in the prosecution's case. They pointed at inconsistent witness statements, alleged the confessions were made due to a, quote, mental health crisis, and suggested state police botched the investigation from the start. It was an unspent bullet at the scene, investigators say, linked Allen, but defense attorneys argue there is no concrete evidence.
But those girls loved each other. They were good friends. Neither one of them left each other's side. Both those girls are heroes in my book.
A gag order has long prevented anyone involved in or close to the case from talking to the press. That video was from early on in the investigation as Libby's grandfather pleaded for answers. His wife, Becky Patty, was the first witness up, sharing emotional testimony, saying her granddaughter was calm, intelligent, and loved adventure. Quote, she was logical. She loved crime shows. She said, I'm going to help you solve crimes. She wanted to make a difference. In court Friday, the judge also ruling in favor of the prosecution, saying these 2 composite sketches widely circulated in the early years of the investigation aren't admissible as evidence. Prosecutors argue neither were used to identify Allen and could confuse or sway the jury. Allen's defense hoped to convince the judge otherwise, arguing those were, quote, highly relevant in a filing ahead of the decision.
2 other witnesses have also testified today, including Libby's sister and her dad, who fought back tears on the stand. Kelsey German dropped the girls off the day of the murders, and Derek Libby was supposed to pick them up, but they were not there when they showed. Now, court broke for recess after these 2 witnesses testified. It's not clear whether anyone else will take the stand this afternoon, but of course we'll keep an eye on it.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.